You got to wash with the crocodile in the river. You got to swim with the sharks in the sea. You got to live with the crooked, the politician. Trust those things that you can never see. Ah yeah, yeah, just in front of. Ah yeah, yeah. Ah yeah, yeah, just in front of. Ah yeah, yeah. You got to trust your lover when you go away. Keep on believing tomorrow brings a better day. Sometimes you smile while you're crying inside. And just once you'll turn away while the truth is shining bright. Ah yeah, yeah, just in front of. Ah yeah, yeah. Ah yeah, yeah, just in front of. Ah yeah, yeah. It's a cool, crazy, beautiful world. Every day you wake up, I hope it's under a blue sky. It's a cool, crazy, beautiful world. One day when you wake up, I will have to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Goodbye.
3, 2, 1, team Zambezi!
So, action
No, we
begins.
don't. We have never been.
No, but it's really nice.
Kills me to know you won't escape loneliness.
Bye.
Zip travel.
Ah yeah, yeah, yes in front of. Ah yeah, yeah. Ah yeah, yeah, yes in front of. Ah yeah, yeah. It's a cool, crazy, beautiful world. Every time you wake up, I hope it's a blue sky. It's a cool, crazy, beautiful world. One day when you wake up, I will have to say goodbye. Say goodbye. Show us your name. Goodbye.
It's a very good morning, ladies and gents, and a warm welcome to our world of adventure that is on the mighty Zambezi River. Right now, your one-day way to a rafting trip. It is about to start by you guys looking at your first major rapid of the day, rapid number 4, known as the morning glory or the wake-up call. Hang on tight and have fun. And leading the way, we have Simba and his crew. And this is Timbo and his crew. And this is Vinny and his crew. And coming last, we have Boyd and his crew. And right now we're looking at rapid number 5, known as Stairway to Heaven. And this is the high commercial drop in the universe. Sometimes if you miss out, it's gonna be your highway to hell. Hang on tight and have fun. Tempo leading the way. Here we go, Simba and his crew. And this is Vinny and his crew. And we go Boyd and his crew. Well guys, we're now looking at the shortest on the mighty Zambezi River, rapid number 6, known as the Double Toilet Bowl. Hang on tight and have fun. Leading the way, we have Simba and his crew. Here goes Tempo and his crew.
When we were young, the future was so bright. The old neighborhood was so alive. And every kid on the whole damn street was gonna make it big and not repeat. Now the neighborhood's cracked into
So this is Vinny and his crew.
the lives are one. How can one little street swallow so many lives? Chances grown, nothing's free. Longing for used to be. Still it's hard to see. Fragile lives, shattered dreams.
And this is Boyd coming last.
Jimmy had a chance, well she really did.
And right now we're looking at the longest and most technical on the mighty Zambezi River, rapid number 7, known as the Gulliver's Travels. Hold on tight and have fun.
There's a backseat lover that's always undercover, and I talk to my daddy, say, send your AC to
And leading the way, we have Tempo and his crew.
a big cheerleader, that's a real big leader.
Simba and his crew.
I was a high school loser, never made it with a lady. Till the boys told me something about me. Then my next door neighbor, my daughter had a favor, and I gave together little kid like this. Seesaw swinging with the balls in school, with your feet flying up in the air, singing hey did it with your skitty in the middle.
And coming last, we have Boyd and his crew.
Big chance at the high school dance, missing who was ready to play. But me, she was fooling when she knew what she was doing. When she told me how the world is made, she told me to walk this way, talk this way, walk this way, talk this way. She told me to walk this way, talk this way, walk this way, talk this way.
Okay guys, we're now looking at record number 8, known as the Midnight Diner, featuring the Mancha Wave. On this one we have got two choices on the menu, either big or too small. Just choose your way to go and have fun. Leading the way around Tembo and his crew.
Hey, welcome for see you're independent. Let's go 50-50. I got it.
Welcome to independent. How 50-50? I got it 50-50. I'm a 50-50.
And here we go, Billy the crew.
50-50. I'm a 50-50.
Welcome for see you're independent. Let's go 50-50. I got it.
Welcome to independent. How 50-50? Tell now I'm 50. Hola, 50.
This is Boyd and his crew.
I got, I'm a 50-50.
I'm not keep on out and up to 50.
I'm not levels on wala 50's down, no excuse. Guess love.
I get to Yaz Woody Poco like Poco last Pome. Where full of Punya Lava.
Hey, I get the very
They're coming last, being the only team going big. We have Simba.
Let's go 50-50. I'm feeling that taste independent. Let's go 50-50. I'm hitting that 10 independent. Let's go 50-50. I'm feeling that taste independent. Let's go 50-50. I'm doing I'm a 50-50 man.
You does it, I'm a 50 pinky mash.
Yes, yes, my husband's cost a lot.
Hey, last extra match.
I didn't make it with a bad.
I'm feeling ready to see song.
I didn't make it tag man.
I'm feeling ready to see song, baby, sure. Y2K, no Y2K.
Oh, imagine I'm a 50-50.
I'm a 50 pinky.
50 pinky.
And right now we're looking at a true classics of the day. Rapid number 9, known as the commercial suicide. It's unreliable and it is not good for business. That's why we are walking around, otherwise enjoy the walk.
Look at this photograph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? What the hell is that on Joey said? This is where I grew up. I think the president on the fixed it up. I never knew we ever went without. The second floor is up for sneaking out. This is where I went to school. Most of the time I had better things to do. Criminal record says I broke in twice. I must have done it half a dozen times. I wonder if it's too late. Should I go back and try and graduate? Life's better now than it was back then. If I was them, I wouldn't let me in.